I'm Kristen Riley with digitaltrends.com. Anything you can do to make your computing easier is worth it, right? Well, Logitech is betting that their new diNovo Edge keyboard priced at $200 US is worth the gamble. With some new features and even Vista-optimized media keys, we think it's worth a look. Logitech made a lot of wireless users happy when they announced the new diNovo Edge Bluetooth wireless keyboard had a built-in integrated battery, but that's just the beginning. They took it one step further by adding lit function keys to show you the mode you're in, a volume touchpad, and a circular trackpad for faster scrolling. And if you're a Vista user, they included optimized media keys, making your experience that much better. We were impressed with the Edge's very slim design and its durability and feel. While using the keyboard, the keys had good response and feel. The volume control and touch-sensitive pad were less responsive than we would have hoped. The software included does help with some adjustments, but for the price range, we expected it to be better. Included with the Edge is a dock for charging. We were surprised that it's an upright design, but at least the footprint of the charger isn't too big, and it should fit on most office desks. The included advanced lithium-ion batteries charge quicker and last a lot longer than before. With only 2 hours of charging, you can expect about 2 months of use, while only 5 minutes of charging gives you a full day's use. So don't worry if you forget to charge the keyboard. By the time you finish your coffee, it's ready to work. Overall, we love the sleek and stylish design of the Edge. You just have to be able to justify the $200 purchase, which we think is a little spendy. For more information on the Logitech diNovo Edge, please visit the peripheral section of digitaltrends.com. I'm Kristen Riley. Thanks for watching.